all right!
We have come for your PlayStation 3!
We design the next generation of entertainment!
No! It's mine!
The human is too strong!
Oh, damn it, damn it, damn it!
Oh, my car blinks!
We designed a complete entertainment solution!
This is a completely getting our asses kicked solution!
There must be an easier way to acquire the PlayStation 3!
There is! What would you do for a PS3 and a chance to be on Robot Chicken? Upload a homemade video at AdultSwim.com. If we think your video is the most entertaining, you'll be featured in an episode of Robot Chicken and get the long-awaited PS3.
You guys should enter that contest. In hell, play beyond.